everybody. I am Mrs. Engel, and I am your IB biology teacher for the school year. I just wanted to come on and let you see my face, and you guys get to see me with no mask. I know that's a crazy thought these days. Anyway, I wanted to introduce myself to you and introduce you to the course. IB biology is, by all accounts, a tough course. It's a tough course in person. I think it's a tough course virtually, but I think videos are very, very helpful. So my goal is to make all the videos to be less than 15 minutes and to try to work out problems with you and to be available for you via email. I put a Google Classroom together for you guys. Hopefully you got the link. If not, I'll send it to you soon. And I put my office hours on there so that you can contact me and expect a response during the office hour times. Part of IB biology that's so beneficial is the discussion portion, and that's going to be our hurdle to jump over for the virtual part. So today we had an amazing discussion in class about viruses. And I wish you guys could have been here to talk about it with us because it was awesome, like so awesome. So I'm going to try my best, but there's just some pieces I can't fully replicate on virtual. Okay, so as far as an intro to the course, it's a weighted class, right? It's a 5-point scale. Your overall score for the diploma and for IB Bio and all of that, as far as, how you earn a diploma and things like that, is based off of one, my predicted score of what you make in the class, which I don't turn in until the spring. And then we have 3 standardized tests. We have paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. They've decided to get rid of paper 3 for this school year because of everything that's been going on. So we just have paper 1 and paper 2. And then we also have a year-long lab that you will design and write a paper for, like an actual lab report paper, like a big one. And that's called an internal assessment or an IA. And that's going to be interesting. It's always been carried out at home, like at away from school. But normally, I sit down with you face to face and we really go through your paper, and I edit it and we talk about what did you mean right here because I didn't understand and blah, blah, blah. But all of that can still be accomplished via Google Meet and Google Classroom and all of that. So I'm not worried about your internal assessment as much because all of that's kind of always been separate. So, but if you're not familiar with internal assessments, this is a copy of the template that I'll put on Google Classroom for you. And it goes through what should be included in each chapter. That's what we call each section. So right now, all I want you to do is think about a topic and research question that you would be interested in researching and carrying out. I'm going to outlaw online databases this year because based on the evidence of the people who have submitted it the last 2 years, they do not score as well as people who do real experiments and carry it out instead of just looking and analyzing data. They never score as well. So I don't know if it's something I've done wrong or what, but apparently I'm just better at guiding people who have done real experimentation. So that's what we're going to do. So think about a research question that is biology related that you all would want to spend a lot of time with, a lot. I'll create another video later on that, but for right now, just start thinking. So anyway, no chapters are due right now. I'll make a schedule and I'll send you guys the schedule on when all that's due. But for right now, just start thinking about it. Also, we started our first set of notes today. So I'm going to put that in a completely separate video titled, 1.1.U2, because that's our standard name. And so I just wanted to keep that separate. But just so you know, this is what that looks like. There will be a digital packet put on your Google Classroom for you to fill out. You don't have to see the words yet, but this is what it looks like. And then as you go through, you just fill it out and so on and so forth. You can fill this out on Google Docs, or you can print it and write on it. These packets are incredibly helpful. It's hard to see, but they have the standards right there and what is testable material. So each of those things is a testable question type topic, and will give you some insight as to what could be on your end of year standard exam, what could be on a quiz, what could be on a unit test. They're very informative. So I just wanted to introduce myself. I wish I could see all of you in person, but it is so nice to meet you in any capacity. And hopefully you will enjoy this school year as much as I already have. And it's just the beginning. So can't wait to see you. Can't wait to hear from you. We'll hopefully get to do a Google Meet soon. Bye.